I will be doing the unboxing of the Honor Band 4. You're seeing here. Seeing that I have the Mi Band 3 here, I will be doing a quick comparison in terms of size. And here it is. It seems to be the Chinese version of the Honor Band 4. Well, here's the cables, the charger, it seems that you can use different cables. It's attached to a micro USB, and here it's the band itself. It comes with a pre-applied screen protector, and it seems that it doesn't come with battery. And a quick comparison with the Mi Band 3, they are similar in size. It seems that the Honor Band it's slightly smaller, and it's actually looks to be slightly lighter too.